Did you ever think how every decision in your life affects your reality? Your reality is the result of a decision you made at a certain point in your life, either consciously or subconsciously. In today's video, I'm gonna cover not only that, but I'm also gonna give you tips on how to make decisions effortlessly that align with your true self. So your life will never be the same again. My BFF, hello, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to talk about decisions. We are being faced every day with so many choices, and sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. Like, is it chicken or salmon? Should I quit my job or not? Should I go left or right? Should I wear white shirt or black shirt today? No matter what the decision you have right now in your life, I can help you. This is coming from a chronically indecisive person up until recently. Now I cracked the code and I have the secret how to make any decision effortlessly. In the Western world, where we are goal-oriented and we have this analytical thinking, we split every decision in 5 and then we can reach the right one. There is something deeper but easier and much better in my opinion. So stick around until the second half of the video if you want to see that effortlessly decision-making tip. 1. Start by overthinking. Make a list of all the possible scenarios. Think about it during the night, especially at 3 a.m. Think about what can go wrong. What about this? What about that? Continue like that for minimum a week and then you will reach the right decision. No, I said it will be easy, so that's not it. Option 2. Let others decide for you. Call your best friend, call your mom, call your dad, call your sister, ask everyone around and let them decide for you. Wrong. That's not the way of making a decision. If you don't make a decision, sometimes others will make it for you. But what does it mean? It means that the decision will serve them, not you. So don't follow option 2. Third option. Make a list, pros and cons. 20 pros, 20 cons. Balance them and then you will know. I have been doing that for most of my decisions. I used to be super analytical. It was very time consuming and at the end of the day I would still go back and forth. I was still not sure if it's the right decision or not. Option 4. Let's consider that the decision would be for me to quit my job. Should I quit my corporate job and start my own business or not? I'm not advising anyone to quit their job, but I'm having this example from my own life. Super easy once you get the hang of it. Maybe you have heard about that saying, get out of your head, get into your heart. What that means. For example, for this decision, should I quit my job or not? Close your eyes if you have a big decision like that and think about behind that decision, what kind of emotion lies. Is it love? Is it expansion? Is it fun? Is it enthusiasm? Think about it and imagine yourself taking that new role, going in the new direction. Does it feel good in your body? Does it make you smile going that way? Approach it with curiosity. Maybe you are thinking, but wait, I don't want to make any decision. I want to postpone it. Not making a decision, it's actually a decision. Being stuck, it's actually a decision to stay that way. So now think about behind that decision to stay the same way. Is it love? Is it peace? Is it expansion? Or is it fear? Is it pain? Is it self-doubt? If I keep diving into this dark hole, I will go back to my hometown and then I will be an embarrassment for the entire society and I will die because I made a fool of myself. So at the root of any fear, it's either death shame, something that is completely not realistic in this life we are living in. The realistic worst case scenario would be that I fail, but it's not actually a failure, it's a lesson that I am learning. Think about that. Think about how it feels in your body. If you would stay the same way for the next 20 years, how does it feel in your body? Does your body cringe? And then you will know which one is the right decision. And also on the same line, and what I discovered myself recently, whenever you get an opportunity in your life, sometimes it's best to surrender to it. If you have the opportunity to move to a new country, if you have a spark, then if you're overthinking, you may ruin and don't see the excitement and the entire possibilities that lie just behind you taking the extra step. And if you remove all your limiting beliefs, remove all the self-doubt, because you cannot die, there is nothing bad that can happen, then you trying, learning something, and then worst case scenario, you will go back being so much wiser, having this extra experience. And think about what would the best version of you, what would the ideal version of you do in this situation? Would they take the leap? Would they be brave? Would they take the chance? Or would they stay? You know the answer. The answer is always inside you. It's not by overthinking, and it's not by asking 10 other friends. We are not that who wants to be a millionaire here. The answer is always inside you. And on that line with the overthinking and ruminating is the worst thing you can do. How many times did you sit on your sofa and thought about different scenarios and then you instantly reached the right decision? Never. Action is the only thing that clarifies if the decision is right or not. So maybe take the jump, but don't leave the cliff. And then you will see, by taking action, taking the first step, you will see if it really brings you joy and if it's really the best thing that you can do. Remember, next time you get to make a decision, tap into your body and ask yourself, does it feel expansive? Do I feel love? Do I feel peace with making this decision? Or does it feel negative? Does it feel bad in my body? And once you make the decision, go with it. Overthinking it and going back and forth doesn't serve you. Once you reach the decision, you go ahead, and your ego and some shadow parts may try to hold you down because they want to protect you, they want to keep you safe. But it's fine, you listen to those voices and know that deep down in your heart, that decision is aligned with your ideal self, and that's what you would do no matter what. Take the leap. You will never be 100% ready, but as long as the decision is aligned with your true self and feels good in your body, it's definitely worth it. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, for liking this video, for subscribing. Before I go, I want to leave you with a quote from Nelson Mandela. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. I challenge you to leave in the comments down below if you have any other tips for decision making. How do you make decisions in your life? Have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.